Hi beautiful, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s, and if you've never been here before, then welcome. I'm so glad that you're here now, and if you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad that you've returned, and if you have not had a chance to subscribe to the channel, I would love if you take a moment and just go ahead and click the big red subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, and if you don't mind, go ahead and click the post notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you my Look Fantastic beauty box. Guys, I am so excited to get this sent over, all the way over from the UK, from Look Fantastic. They do give me with this box to show you guys on my channel, and I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for sending me this box for review. I'm so appreciative to them for that. Not only, guys, do they do that for me, but they also give me a special link. If you don't get Look Fantastic and you would like to, it's down below in my description box where you can get a discount on your first box. And if you sign up for a 12-month subscription, then your first box is $1. And I believe that the 12-month subscription is also discounted from the regular $19 a month. So this box, whenever you consider all of the other subscription boxes, it is comparatively cheaper than most subscription boxes anyway, because it is only $19 a month. But if you buy it for the 12 months, which it's billed monthly, but if you go ahead and sign up for 12 months, then you get a deeper discount on your box. So anyway, let's get into the box. The boxes, there's no shipping on the box. It does come all the way from the UK, and the boxes are absolutely gorgeous. They come in these boxes. When they're shipped to you, though, they are in a separate box, so that the box that it comes in that's so nice for gifting is protected. So you don't have to worry about this being left out on your doorstep in the rain, in the weather, in the snow. Oh my goodness, have you guys been having so much snow? We certainly have. Here in Indy, we have had at my house, we've had over a foot of snow. It has been in the negative digits, depending upon whether you're talking about the absolute value for the weather or the wind chill of the weather. But still, it is cold here. Be sure that you are taking extra blankets, just in case something happens. If you were to get into an accident, or, you know, God forbid you ran out of gas or something, take extra blankets, because just in a small amount of time, you never know what could happen. So, you know, in this type of weather, take water, take extra blankets, and be prepared. This box is so beautiful, and the theme is treasure. And I love that, because I do treasure you, and Look Fantastic treasures you as well. One of the things that I really love about Look Fantastic, one of the things that really is probably, to me, one of the best parts about the box, is the almost magazine that comes in the box. And it's called the Beauty Box Edit. And not only is it a little pamphlet, it's really not, it's more than a pamphlet, but it tells you about the products that you're going to be getting in the box. But once you get to the middle of the pamphlet, it starts talking about fun facts. And I am a skincare junkie, and so it starts talking about skincare ingredients, and it really increases your knowledge. It starts talking about moringa and all of the great benefits, like it contains vitamin A, which is, you know, like your retinol and that type of stuff. So it promotes cell turnover, and where you can find moringa and that type of information if you are wanting to enhance your game on skincare and you want to learn a little bit more about those ingredients. And if you want to learn the types of forms that moringa comes in, like it comes in an oil based form, comes in a powder based form, that type of thing, you want to learn about that, it tells you right here. It talks an article about mask acne, how to best deal with that if you're going through some of that with your face. It talks also about some of the best books for women to read. And one of them on the list, number one, in fact, is a book that I can definitely vouch for. It is Girl, Wash Your Face by Rachel Hollis. Guys, if you have not read this book, it is a great read. It is an empowering book for women. So if you've been on the fence about picking up Girl, Wash Your Face or picking it up on your Audible, it is a great read. I really love this book. It took me no time to read it, and it really does sort of get you in the, get up off it, girl. Do it. If you've been thinking about doing something, get up off it and get it done. And then the other one is Wild, and I've really been wanting to read this book, Wild, From Lost to Found on the Pacific Crest Trail. I would love to hike the Pacific Crest Trail. I don't think my back can do it anymore, but hiking used to be a passion of mine. Just a lot of different good books. So definitely I'm loving this pamphlet. Let's get into the box as far as the products in the box, but don't get rid of this. This is such a good read, and I have been loving it. The box does come so nicely packaged. And inside, first of all, we have what is called Wipe Out Swipes. Guys, I've been loving these types of products, whether it's the ones from After Spa, the ones from e.l.f., but these type of products are so nice. And this is Magnetone London Wipe Out Swipes and eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. I love these. I'm just addicted to them. Instead of using a cotton round, I love these. I really need to find me a little lingerie bag. Heads up, makeup companies who are making these, please, we need a little pouch, a little zipper pouch, mesh pouch to put all of these in for putting them in the washing machine. Please, we need one. But yes, you just use these and just like you would use a cotton round, but they're not disposable. So it's really helping our environment. It's really saving our landfills. So I'm so excited to get one of those in the box. Oh, no, there's two. Oh my goodness, two of these in the box. So I'm so excited about that because I love products like these. So very excited, very, very excited about that. Then we have something called Bubble Tea Bath and Body Strawberry Macaroon Hand and Body Butter. And have you ever had bubble tea like from like an Asian restaurant? Oh my goodness, so good. This is a lotion and it's sealed. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells so good. Strawberry. I love strawberry and peach scents. Oh. Oh. Feels so good. And I love that type of size of product just to kind of throw in your purse and go. And my hands they stay really, really dry. And I don't use a lot of fragrance. Oh, but that smells so good. I love these type of scents. Oh my goodness. And it just goes right in. So liking that. Very, very good. And let's see what it says about those two products. So the little rounds, basically what I told you, nothing really anymore about that. The strawberry extracts and essential oils. It's a thick hydrating moisturizer for your body with a delectable strawberry scent. Treat, soothe, and refresh dry skin. Is cruelty free and paraben free. So that's awesome. And then we get the Illamasqua. This is combining two of Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydrovel Primer and Beyond Powder. This face primer is a hydrating and illuminating all-in-one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day while also providing a luminous, natural-looking glow. So we are getting the Illamasqua Beyond Veil. This is what it looks like. And I'm pretty excited to try this. Just has a little safety seal. Oh, and it is peach, and it is very glowy. I don't know if you can see this or not. Oh, that's really neat. Okay, I hope you can see this. So it looks like this, and there is a type of reflective. It's not glitter, but it has a sheen, a reflective type of a sheen to it. So I'm really excited about this because I'm all about a glowy primer. And it does have a tint, kind of a champagne colored tint to it. So yeah, that is looking really pretty. So I'm really excited to try this. Let me rub it in a little bit better. And I'll let you see what that's looking like. Oh, that is really pretty. So if you're really like a champagne glow, oh, this one is nice. Look at that. I'm really impressed. That is a really, really pretty shine. Wow. Okay, I can't wait to use that on my face under some makeup. Even, I think you could even use that on top of your makeup. Almost like maybe the Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. Very pretty. I may have to try and get a big one of these. Yeah. I am very, very intrigued by that. Yeah. Gonna be on the lookout for a good deal. You got a Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. And on this one, it says a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten and purify and plump your complexion. It's a blend of AHA, so alpha hydroxy acids, which the alphas stay above the surface. Beta hydroxys go below the surface. It encourages the shedding of any dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful, and luminous glow beneath, suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. Massage into the skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove with a warm, damp cloth. I'll definitely try that and let you know. We got one or the other. You could have either gotten a Madeira SOS Hydra Recharge Cream, or what I got, which was the Illamasqua Papaya Enzyme Peel. And the Papaya Enzyme Peel is a natural exfoliating facial cream. It's got 7 ingredients. It's for repairing, protecting, and clarifying your skin. It's ideal for all complexions, and the exfoliator gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. The result, smooth, moisturized, brighter skin. All over cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. So, yeah. I definitely love the Illamasqua brand. Then the last product that we got is a Galactic Lid Gloss. And this you could have gotten in one of 2 colors. You could have gotten Zodiac, or you could have gotten Stardust. So you could have gotten a silver or a bronze type color. So I got the more bronzy type color. I still smell that lotion, and it just smell. I keep thinking, ooh, what's smelling so good? And then I remember, oh, it's that lotion, that bubble tea strawberry lotion. It smells so good. It is a nice copper color with a silver reflect. So it looks like that. So a very, very nice color for your lid. So hopefully that could be like a one and done eyeshadow. Yeah, those are the products. You do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that how many we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. in the box this month, and it was a great box. So remember, if you do not get the Look Fantastic box and you'd like to, I do have a swipe up link down in the description box below, and that will save you some money off of your first box. And if you want to get the box for a 12-month subscription, then you can get your first box for $1. I really appreciate you joining me for the video today. Let me know how your day's been going. Let me know how your weather's been. I'm really interested. We have been just completely snowed in here in Indianapolis. I look so forward to seeing you in the next video, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now, guys.